Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful morning here at Everdeen, and it's also a very exciting day because theoretically, by tonight, we will have finished the first half of the kitchen. So what we're doing basically is dividing the kitchen into two halves, completely finishing one half, and then completely finishing the other half, except for obviously like painting the walls. But as far as countertops, cabinets, all the installation things go, we're doing half and then the other half so we can at least start to use the first half while we're working on the second half. It seemed like a dream a couple of days ago, but now it seems doable. It seems like a reality. So fingers crossed that that happens tonight. But there are also a few little projects that we're going to try to do this morning before we dive in on the kitchen. There's a chandelier that needs to be installed, as always. When do I not have a chandelier that needs to be installed? Then we're going to have a nice lunch and then we're going to dive in on the kitchen. But before we do any of that, I am going to quickly flash back to last night because after I finished filming last night, Laurent wanted to do just a few little plumbing things. If you're new, Laurent's my boyfriend. He is staying here for a couple of days and really helping me out with renovations. It's amazing to have him here. He is so talented at all this kind of stuff. But Laurent wanted to do a few like plumbing things last night. So I'm just going to flash back and show you what Laurent got up to last night, which was preparation for installing the kitchen today. How's it going?
Not great, but I set olive connection, a Biconic olive connection over this valve tap because I wanted to be able to take the water and the old plumbing, but the thing leaked and I can't remove it anymore. So I'll have to cut the pipe so I get the water in the house, and I will have to use what they call here American connection. And
what
I really need to trust American now.
What did we learn about if you can trust Americans?
Yeah, you spanked me so hard.
I just snuck up behind him and slapped him so hard on the bum. Oh, my hand stings still.
Well, I still need to trust Americans. I don't want to,
It's just the one specific American you can't trust.
I have to. Because if this doesn't work good, we won't have water tonight in the house.
I wasn't worried until you opened the trap door where the water shut off for the whole house is, in preparation for having to run down and shut it off. And then I was a little worried. It's the official inauguration of the new tap.
Yeah. Someone needs coffee. Continue working.
Yay! So exciting.
We should let it sleep now.
You know, the sink isn't really what they told me it would look like at IKEA. When we saw the sink on the showroom, it was different than this.
Yeah. But things are always different when you see them at IKEA.
That's true. Okay, so cutting back to today, that was the plumbing preparation, and now we're going to do a few little projects and then kitchen time. And the first project is to get some light in the downstairs entryway. This is the entryway into the house. And this is the old lighting fixture that has been here since I bought the house, which I mean, let's be honest, we all know that I want a chandelier in here. This is always going to end up being a chandelier. Do you want the ladder?
No, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, maybe I can use the ladder.
Okay, I get the ladder for you. But it's going to be so nice. So you need to make it shorter.
Yeah, I need to make it shorter because it will be a pain for tall people. And all of your friends most of your friends are tall people.
Or giants, yeah.
There are also very nice friends of yours that are small. But
I know a lot of very tall women.
Yeah.
That is true. Accomplishment number 1. The chandelier in the entry hallway has been hung. It looks gorgeous. It works. It has LED bulbs, so it's not burning through electricity. Oh, big accomplishment. So happy. It was so dark in here. So excellent. Very pleased. So what's my job?
Drying the putty with the hairdryer would be good.
Okay.
Because you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't dry faster, because if you stay long time on a spot, it will dry but unequally and then it will crack. So you have to do it only with precaution in case of emergency.
Like hair.
Like hair, yeah. You have to do it changing spots quite a lot, and so it changes color, and
What I've heard is do it the same as I do my hair.
yeah, it will be great.
It's gonna work really well. Well, the putty is currently drying and we have to wait for the putty to dry before we can advance in the kitchen. So we've decided to instead spend some time putting up the new hammock and barbecuing for lunch. So that is, I don't hate this plan. I don't hate this plan at all. Laurent has decided that he needs a really special pipe to...
I don't want to put my mouth on a lead pipe.
Well, yeah, this was the other option, was the...
Yeah, so...
Apparently the old bar from my wardrobe, which was our first choice, is made out of lead, so copper is probably better.
Yeah. Copper is like...
You're gonna be the fanciest barbecuer.
I played the trumpet. It was basically putting my mouth on copper all the time. So...
Play a song. That wasn't bad, actually. That was better than I thought it would be. Wow, you got a system.
Yeah, I got this. So, it's going to be ready to cook soon.
Good. Should I get the table out and bring all the food down?
Yeah.
Good.
Definitely.
Ooh. This is excellent. I'm so excited.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Oh. We got veggie sausage and veggie hamburgers. We got mushrooms, some toppings, and I found relish in France.
This place is so cosmopolitan. You can find curry, you can find veggie restaurants, and you can find strange sauce.
We've gone very, very international. Where should we assemble it?
Do you think grass is the ideal place for screws?
Well, last time we only lost like 3 screws
Yeah, it's not bad.
because we're skilled.
Yeah, should we try to do it in the garage?
I feel brave and cold, so let's go in the sun. Maybe we
take
put...
some cardboard.
Yeah, I'll get some cardboard. There's plenty of cardboard.
Ne pas se tenir debout dessus ou escalader le produit.
Don't climb the hammock.
Sur une surface plane, stocké dans un endroit propre et sec, à l'abri du froid et des intempéries.
Store it in a place that is dry and clean.
Rentrer ou couvrir le...
This is going much better than the barbecue went.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd like to point out that I am going to mow the lawn soon. I know it's insane. I know it's a mess. I just haven't gotten around to bringing out the weed whacker yet. But soon I will mow.
And the neighbor said that he was going to loan his
Lawnmower.
yeah, and he didn't, so that's his fault.
We've had a disagreement about this all week because I keep saying, let's just grab the weed whacker and weed whack the whole thing because this area is not that big.
I want to play with the big one.
The weed whacker doesn't make enough noise for you.
No, do not.
I like the colors.
It's nice.
It didn't really show us what the colors were on the box, but I really like them. Ooh, that's a big hammock. Oh, I see. It goes around. I thought you just maybe put the hooks on the wrong way around because that doesn't look right.
You didn't trust me.
I mean, I have unwavering faith in you and everything that you build, even when the hook's going the wrong way. Oh.
Maybe 80. That's good. This goes like this. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's much better. Well, see you this afternoon.
They said this was a two-person hammock, but I'm a little worried with the hot coffee involved.
Yeah.
This is a good hammock. I'm so glad that we built it together equally shared work. Beer break. Going good?
Yeah, going great.
Happy?
Yeah, really.
Okay. That's a quality countertop we bought.
Yeah.
It broke the saw.
I think now it's well inserted.
Oh, look at your back.
Am I dirty?
Just a little. This is a very professional and tidy workspace.
Hmm.
Is this going to be a leak?
Let's see.
Let's check hot water. Waiting.
No hot water?
Oh, I think we turned off the hot water heater.
Oh, maybe.
But it's great. It works. I'm so happy. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. It is 2 a.m.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
And we have finished this half of the kitchen. I'm so happy with it. To be honest, I thought it would take us longer than that. I thought we were going to be up very, very late tonight. But it's so nice. I can't wait to try my dishwasher tomorrow. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Well, as you can probably see, it's the next morning. because we, after finishing the cabinets at 2 a.m., completely crashed last night.
Yeah, I think your neighbors hated us because it doesn't do that much noise, but it's still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
However, it did have to get done yesterday because Laurent is leaving quite soon, and we're starting to be in a time crunch. So I'm glad we'll bring the neighbors some wine. I'm glad we got it done. Yeah.
They're going to drink so much because of us.
Yeah. We're building them a wine cellar. Anyway, we're going to go and then get started with projects for today. But before we do, just a quick reminder to please do subscribe. It's very helpful. It helps other people find the channel. It helps bring more videos to you, and it shows me that you guys like what I'm doing. So, yeah.
Do it.
If you liked...
Do it.
So aggressive. If you like this video, please do subscribe and leave me a comment if there's other stuff you want to see, or if you just want to say hi.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, liking is also great. If you're already subscribed, liking videos helps. And yeah, let's get to work for today.
Yay!
All right, we'll be working on the next video, and we'll see you guys next time.